another video. And today we're heading to Tennessee. But before we get there, we're staying overnight in Virginia, and then we're heading out tomorrow to get to our destination. So, as you can tell, we're still in Pennsylvania, and it's very snowy. And there's been lots of accidents lately on this snowy road. And we're just currently waiting to get there in the car. So I'll see you when we get there. So we're almost to our hotel, and as you can tell, that we're not in Pennsylvania anymore because it's not that snowy. So we're now just waiting to get there, and I passed the time by drawing and almost sleeping. So I'll let you know when we get there, and yeah. So we finally arrived at the hotel, and it looks pretty good. I see if I can flip you guys out. I don't know how to. So we're just basically gonna hang out here until tomorrow, then we're gonna head out to Tennessee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I know it was short, but if you did, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.